Yes, so I am Mukund Garg. I am the executive director of Inalco Private Limited. We are into manufacturing of aluminium flat rolled products. We make sheets, coils. We are also into color coated products. So you can see our wall over there. That shows our color coated solutions. In this, we kind of liquid coat our aluminium coil. We can slit it down to smaller coils and we can also sell it into sheets. These are used in various different industries. Apart from that, we also supply our sheets to the fall ceiling and facade industry, right? In this, it's in fall ceiling, again, color coated product is mostly sold. In facade, a product of more like 2 mm, 2.5 mm is mostly required. Apart from that, we also have a major customer base in fan blade. We are very proud to share that we sell a lot of material to Havells, to Bajaj, right, to Victoria, and to Ellen and Kent. There are just a few brands that we sell to in the fan industry. For fan blade, for fan blade, we sell them aluminium cut to length sheets. In this, they kind of process it forward into cutting it into smaller sheets and then giving it like a tilted edge, a rounded edge, right? And then bending it and putting screws in to make the final blade after powder coating. So we have also showcased the whole process on our wall over here if you want to have a look. So this is what I can tell you about the fan industry. This expo, it's only been 2 hours, so I can't really say much about the expo for now. But apart from that, it's been going great. Um, it's lovely to meet a lot of people. It's lovely to meet you. It's lovely to talk about our product here. Lovely to um, meet new people in a different part of India because we are based in Delhi. We are based our works and our manufacturing works is in Rajasthan. So it's great to be here.